What is up, guys? Costumes here. We just got our new RC truck here, and we are going to open it. Do an unboxing here. Okay. Here we go. This is a Gold Fleet crawler, I believe. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. So, put you guys over here real quick. Oh man, a little trouble here. I thought I ordered the blue one, but I got the red one. Yep, I got the red one. See? All nice. No. Oh, by cheerwing. It's like cheerwing. Alright. So, here we go. There's our rock crawler. It is a, let's see, what is it? 1/18 scale rally car. It looks like it has a light bar on it. Alright, let's get it opened up. Let's see what this thing looks like. Let's see, this is a two-parter. Oh, I was right. So, there is the truck. I thought I ordered a blue one. That's what I thought. Wow, that's pretty nice. Tires is crawler. So we have a realistic light bar. It moves, yes. Alright, there's the truck. And this is our controller. Should be the cords. There's our remote. Nice. That's pretty nice. And here's the truck. Should these zip chips are tight. It's a strong one, dang. There we go. Yeah, ooh, that's nice. Sorry about that. There she is. And it is four-wheel drive. It does have axles on it. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's got some flex too. Yeah, we're gonna have some real fun with this weekend. We're gonna go track it back. A little bit of mud, and I just think we'll do that. It's pretty nice. Alright, well, going to end the video there. I will do another video shortly about the truck, and see you guys then.